Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our Building a Dynamic Portfolio with React and Firebase series. In the last video, we set up our project from scratch. Now it's time to take things a step further. In this video, we will set up the project file structure, add global CSS style for a clean and consistent look, install the necessary packages to get everything running smoothly. So let's get started. Inside the source folder, create a folder with the name assets. And inside the assets folder, create a folder with name icons and another folder with the name styles. Now inside this styles folder, create a file with the name underscore variables dot scss or css. Depends on what you are going to use. Inside this file, we will define the styles which we are going to use them across multiple style sheets. We have to define the styles like this. :root will give us a global scope so that we can use these styles anywhere inside our app. So for that reason, :root is used, and inside this you can define all the styles, font sizes, or whatever you want to keep it consistent throughout the UI. I will be fast forwarding this part. You can pause and note down all the styles. All the variables are defined now. Let's create all other folders. Create a folder with the name components and then create another folder with the name constants. Similarly, create all the folders such as Firebase, navigation, store, utils. Inside this store folder, we are going to create one more folder called configure. Inside the configure folder, we will create two files. One is configure store.js and another one is root reducer.js. So these files will be used to define and configure Redux store and root reducer. Once you create these two files, the next step is how to install npm packages. Npm stands for Node Package Manager. Npm install command is used to install the package. So npm install Redux means for this app we are going to install Redux packages. This will take some time to install, depends on your internet speed. Once this is done, inside package.json. Inside the dependencies, you can see Redux 5.0.1. Similarly, we will install React Redux, Redux Thunk, and Redux Persist. So all these are used for Redux state management. Packages are installed in our application. You can see in the dependencies. We will move our app.js inside components. So we will be having index.js at the root part. Next we will install these packages. That's all for today. Stay with me throughout this playlist to build your dynamic portfolio step by step. Make sure to add this video to your watch later list so you don't miss the upcoming parts. Thanks for watching.